No, don't! Stop being an asshole!
I'm not being an asshole. I'm trying to get to the
You're always trying to get yourself killed, and I can't let it happen again! Stop being so selfish, please. If you go on there, you're gonna die, and I can't deal with it again. You can't die because I can't deal with it again. Don't let it happen again. Please. Please don't let it happen again. Not you.